So I got this today. I'm gonna open it. I'm super excited to show y'all which one it is. I got this one last time. This was my first one, and I'm hoping to get the Rockstar Girl this time. But if it's a duplicate, I'm gonna paint it to make it resemble either me or my daughter. I think they're so cool. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's just like a paper box. Okay, so let's see which one it is. Ooh, it's a different one because it came with different stickers. These are all the ones you can get. This is the one I wanted. I don't think it is that one though. Okay, so these are the stickers. They're super cute. The other stickers were adorable too. And then let's open the doll. Oh, how cute is she? Look at that. And then let's see what we get in this bag. Oh, this is her stand, and she has a little like teddy bear. How cute! A little zombie teddy bear. So let's go ahead and put. Oh, and she came with like a little sleeping mask for her head or her eyes, however you want to display it. We're gonna put this on the stand. I don't think I want this over her eyes, so I'm just gonna have it like that. So I think this is how you put it on, because it like kind of hangs over. So just like that. And then let's put her stand on. To do that, you kind of have to move their hair. Their hair fully comes off, and it's like a little brain. It's super cute. And their leg comes off, and there's like, you can see the bone. Here, I can take it off and show y'all. Look, see? You can see the little bone. It's cute. You can do that with both their legs. Let's go ahead and put her stand on. She is so cute. And here she is. Here are both of mine together. Cute. Also, I forgot my favorite part. I don't know how I forgot this, but this is like the cutest thing ever. It's like a little trading card, and you're supposed to put it in their coffin. In this part of their coffin, like to display it. And the pictures on these are just so pretty. I could get it out. Okay, look at this. Look how cute that is. And it's like a little iridescent. And this doll is ready to drop. So cute. She looks very sassy. I like her. But you're supposed to like put it in here. Like this. And I guess you could like have it like, I don't know. But it's cute. I'll probably end up like having these like mounted on my wall somewhere. I like them a lot. But yeah, so here she is. Bye.